Hello students and welcome once again. Hope you all are doing fine. We have finished the chapter control and coordination. So today we are going to discuss some important questions and answers from this chapter. So let us start.
First of all, let us discuss the multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which of the following is a plant hormone? Insulin, thyroxine, estrogen, cytokinin. Answer is cytokinin. The gap between two neurons is called a dendrite, synapse, axon, impulse. Answer is synapse. The brain is responsible for thinking, regulating the heartbeat, balancing the body, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. The receptors that detect the smell are gustatory receptors, olfactory receptors, phonoreceptors, odoreceptors. Answer is olfactory receptors. Iodine is required for the production of growth hormone, adrenaline, thyroxine, tyrosine. Answer is thyroxine. Roots of plants are positively geotropic, negatively geotropic, positively phototropic, none of this. Answer is positively geotropic. Response of plant roots towards water is called chemotropism, phototropism, hydrotropism, geotropism. Answer is hydrotropism. Growth of pollen tube towards ovule in the plants is due to geotropism, phototropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism. Answer is chemotropism. The hormone that is responsible for gigantism and dwarfism is secreted by pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland. Answer is pituitary gland. Insulin injections are given to patients with hypertension, diabetes, goiter, scurvy. Answer is diabetes. Now let us discuss some short questions. The first question is, which part of the brain maintains posture and equilibrium of the body? Answer. Posture and equilibrium of the body are maintained by cerebellum. Give an example of a plant hormone that promotes growth. Answer. Auxin is a plant hormone that promotes growth. Name the different phytohormones. Answer. The different phytohormones are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. What are the units of nervous system? The units of nervous system are specialized cells called the neurons. What is an impulse? Answer. An impulse is an electrical disturbance or signal that is transmitted along the neuron and throughout the nervous system. What is a synapse? Answer. The junction between the axon of a neuron and the dendrites of the next neuron is called the synapse. What is the central nervous system composed of? Answer. The central nervous system is made up of brain and the spinal cord. What is homeostasis? Answer. Homeostasis is any self-regulating process by which an organism tends to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are best for its survival. Which signals will get disrupted in case of a spinal cord injury? Answer. In case of the spinal cord injury, the signals coming from the nerves as well as the signals coming to the receptors will be disrupted. Give an example of plant which shows non-directional movement. Answer: touch me not plant or chui moi plant is an example of plant which shows non-directional movement. Now let us discuss some long questions. Question number 1. What is cerebrum? What are its functions? Answer: cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is a part of the forebrain. It is made up of two hemispheres called the cerebral hemispheres. Cerebrum is responsible for the intelligence, thinking, memory, consciousness, and willpower. What is the difference between a reflex action and walking? Answer: a reflex action is voluntary action which is a rapid and automatic response to stimuli, while walking is a voluntary action which requires our thinking and in our control. How does chemical coordination take place in animals? Answer: chemical coordination takes place in animals with the help of hormones. Hormones are the chemical fluids that are secreted by the glands of the endocrine system. Hormones regulate the overall growth and development of the animals. Why is the use of iodized salt advisable? Answer: iodine is needed by the thyroid gland for the production of thyroxine hormone. This hormone regulates fat, protein, and carbohydrate metabolism in our body. If this is in deficient quantity, then the neck will swell up due to the enlargement of thyroid gland. This deficiency disease is known as goiter. Therefore, the iodized salt is advised to be taken with meal. Why are some patients of diabetes treated by giving injections of insulin? Answer: insulin is a hormone secreted by pancreas that regulates the sugar level in the blood. When this hormone is not synthesized in proper amount, then the sugar level in the blood rises and the person suffers from diabetes. This is the reason why diabetic patients are treated by giving injections of insulin. Draw the structure of a neuron and explain its function. Neurons are nerve cells which are the functional units of the nervous system. The three main parts of a neuron are dendrite, cell body, and axon. Functions of its three parts are: dendrite, it detects information and conducts the messages towards the cell body. Cell body, it contains nucleus, mitochondria, and other cell organelles. It maintains the growth of the cell. Axon, it conducts messages away from the cell body and pass to the next neuron. Moreover, you need to draw the diagram of the neuron and also label its different parts. Draw a label diagram of human brain. Here you need to draw the diagram of human brain and label the different parts of the human brain. What is the need for a system of control and coordination in an organism? Answer: there are various organs in an organism. These organs must be carefully controlled and coordinated for the survival of an organism. In the body of an organism, various fluids are secreted from the glands of the endocrine system. These hormones are responsible for the overall growth and development of an organism. All other daily decisions that includes voluntary and involuntary action are controlled by central nervous system. How do we detect the smell of an agarbatti or incense stick? Answer: the smell of agarbatti or incense stick diffuses in the air. It is detected by olfactory receptors present in the nose. This information is sent to olfactory lobe by sensory nerves located in the forebrain. It responds to the information. Compare and contrast nervous and hormonal mechanisms for control and coordination in the animals. Here, in the answer, you need to make two columns. First is nervous control, second is the hormonal control. And there you need to write point-wise the differences. First point, the nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and various nerves. In the hormonal control, you need to write down it consists of endocrine system which secretes hormones directly into the blood. The response time is very short in case of the nervous system, whereas in the hormonal system the response time is very long. Point number 3, nerve impulses are not specific in their action in case of the nervous system, whereas in the hormonal system you need to write down each hormone has specific actions. Point number 4, the flow of information is rapid in the nervous system, whereas in the hormonal system the flow of information is very slow.
These are some important questions that I have discussed with you. Along with these questions, please go through your textbook also, because you will find many questions from your textbook also, and please study your lesson very nicely. Okay, and if you have any doubt, do write in the comment section. I will definitely try to give you answer. So this was the chapter control and coordination. In our next class we will be studying a new chapter. Thank you.